Now the other thing that I did today, which is like a rookie mistake.
Oh, that's good. I think it's tangy.
Y'all, we here, okay? But all because I didn't want to grab a basket. Good morning. We're on a run, a slow, cool run. So I set my intention last night that I was gonna get up. Really, I set the intention that I was gonna run on Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Feliz miércoles, mis amigas. Y'all know running is something. Well, I think I told y'all running is something that I was always like impressed by others, and I've always wanted to do it. I've been running like 2-3 years on and off, more off for the past year than on. I ain't saying I'm on again. But I am on this run. And the girl is cute, giving B vibes, black and yellow. Okay, Wiz. Okay, Beyonce Beehive. And it's early, y'all. It's muy temprano, pero estoy corriendo lento. Do y'all got Duolingo? Did you download Duolingo? I'm more aggressive about Duolingo. I see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna turn my music back on. I'm gonna swing these twists, and we about to have a good time. For 3 miles. Hasta pronto. What's that? Until soon. Nos vemos prontos. I see you guys soon. We're gonna do some nails. This is the new nails that I got off of Amazon. I like these much better than the actual Gel X nails that I got. These are more sturdy, almond shaped nails. We're gonna paint these nails, and I'm gonna try 2 different methods. I'm gonna glue one side with just regular nail glue, and then I'm gonna use the extended gel glue where you cure under the light on the other side. So my right hand is gonna be just regular nail glue, and then my left hand is gonna be the extended gel glue with the UV light. I wanna know which one lasts longer. I feel like start doing weird stuff with y'all hands when y'all get y'all nails done, just like, and then this and that, and like my favorite thing is to do this. Dressed and ready for the gym. Let me tell y'all, my glutes hurt. Okay, I need to drink more protein because I shouldn't still be hurt. I did not a glute workout, but I did a lower body workout on Monday, and I did like the Bulgarian split squats on the Smith machine again. And when I tell you, like the upper part of my glute feels it every time that like I'm going up steps and all of that stuff. Weirdly enough, it didn't hurt. Like I didn't feel it when I was running today. I like mostly kind of focused like on my quads. Like my run feels so good. I feel light. I feel strong in my legs. That was great. But just walking, getting up and down the stairs, those Bulgarian split squats on the Smith machine will take you out every time. I still feel it here, and it's a whole day later. But I think it could be because I'm not eating enough protein. Lately, I've been eating about between like 90 and 110 grams of protein a day. So we'll see what we can do about that. A new pre-workout, same company goes, but this one is a lemon crush. I love lemon. Like desserts that are lemon are my favorite. It tastes like strawberry lemonade. Oh, that's good. And it's tangy. Vámonos al gimnasio, mis amigos. Ooh, that Spanish be rolling. That Spanish be rolling. You've been tested and destroyed what we've been blessed with. Life Jennings thought he said something, but Fantasia came back like, okay, now if I forgive you for this, hypothetically, now what if this baby ain't yours? Fantasia, the man might have cheated on you once. So he said, you want him to accept a whole baby? I'm glad she went second in the song because she asking a lot. She asking a lot. He thought he was the only one with a confession. Fantasia like, hold my beer. Hold my beer. Now this baby, it ain't yours. There. Is we forgiving each other? Is we forgiving each other? I don't know. I didn't see this too many times on the tickety talk. Or the tickety talk. Let's get some gas, y'all. Gas. Bring it right back. I just think it's fun to have it go. I'm gonna try to make sure I'm in focus today, y'all. And I'm gonna try to make sure I ain't crooked. So we made it to the gym. As soon as I make it here, right, I go to the bathroom. Y'all know what I did after that? I broke my dang on cup with my pre-workout in it. Like I broke the lid to it, so I had to hurry up and drink the whole thing. So now I don't have anything to drink during my workout, but whatever. So today we're going to do a workout from Courtney Saraceno. I found her on YouTube originally, but she rarely uploads on YouTube, but she uploads way more on Instagram. And she uploaded a shoulder and back workout. She didn't call it that, but from the exercises she did, it looks like a shoulder and back workout. And that's what we're going to do today. She did only 5 exercises. She didn't put like the whole workout in, so I just wrote it down. And I decided to do 3 sets of each exercises with 12 reps, and then I added 1 exercise in at the end if I have time, and then of course like I'll put some abs in. Then we're gonna still listen to a little bit of Fantasia, cause she had me jamming in the car. Let's see. Had to turn on some Beyonce. Let's make sure we in focus, child. I love 16 carriages. Way better than Texas Hold'em. I don't know why, it's just in my little spirit. Let's try 40 first. 1, 2, 3, 1. Well, we're gonna do 12, so let's start with 30 and just see how we feel.
Making me hate you, probably think it's pain.
I think we could increase this to 40, y'all. I think we could do 40. Maybe because it's on the like a cable machine. I know like when I do shoulder press with just like a weight, like a free weight, like a barbell or a preloaded barbell or whatever, like 30 is. But on this machine, maybe because it's a cable, I can do 40. So we're gonna do 40.
Painful, but really I'm grateful. I think I've seen this before. This is the part where you say you want me to. I say
I'm breezing through this workout. So I feel like maybe the weight ain't heavy enough, but then I also don't want to make it too heavy and then like compromise my form, because that's one of the things like I've been working on. Like when I watch the video back and when people give me like feedback on my workout videos, is that like I'm not really controlling the weight, or the weight is too heavy because I'm not really able to control my body while I'm lifting the weight. And what I really need to do is start keeping a notebook again with like tracking my progress with the weight that I'm lifting. Y'all remind me. Y'all, we here, okay? We here. Oh, y'all track weight, I'm a track weight. We could do it together. I don't know why I'm always trying to drag y'all into my antics, but please come. So I usually do 66 pounds on the lat pull down. We're gonna start with 66 pounds. If 66 pounds is too light, because I've been on 66 pounds for like a year. If 66 pounds is too light, then we'll move on to, we'll add 5 pounds. But let's start with 66 first. I did not wipe this machine off. Let's try to wipe it off, child. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, none of this music hitting today. 16 Carriages was doing it, but I done moved on to This Ain't Texas. And, child, okay, let's find another song. This is why you can't use songs to always fuel your workouts.
Then you go act a fool. That's how the story goes. Just wanna let you know, no need to sugarcoat it. It's getting getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one. Hey, yeah.
I absolutely, and I do mean absolutely, rarely ever never use this machine. Let's just test this out. Okay. So roll back. Oh, I think I need to hold it in the middle. Yeah, that will target the back. Okay. Oh, this ain't the machine she used. We don't have the machine that she used in the video, but I feel like this machine would do just the same thing. Yeah, it just looks like a back row. Like a single arm back row. So that's what we're gonna do. Also, I was watching this video. Let me just do this. One thing at a time.
Over you, 402 deja vu. I thought I was psycho for.
I think I can add 5 pounds. All the heavy breathing and me thinking I can add 5 pounds.
For you, play tricks with my mind like voodoo. Might be a danger to you, but that ain't old news. Delusional clues, that's how the story goes. Just wanna let you know, no need to sugarcoat.
No agregamos más pesa. We not adding no more weight. No agregamos, no agregamos. I cut the bicep part that I'm gonna add on to Courtney's workout because I ended up doing 4 sets of 12 for each of her 5 exercises, baby, and it took me a whole hour. So I'm 10 minutes over. I'm gonna skip the bicep because I wanna do abs. Like that's the thing that I've been doing consistently after all of my workouts. So I'm gonna skip the bicep that I was gonna add and I'm gonna do some abs. And I was watching this video, I put it right there. This girl who said like when you wanna engage your core, it's not like a sucking in air, like you don't go. She said the key to like stabilizing your core and engaging your abs is breathing out. So she said you breathe out and then pull your abs in. And I definitely feel more engagement this way than when I'm sucking it in. So when I push it out, the air out, and at the same time, I'm contracting my abs in towards the back of my spine. And I feel what she's talking about. So we're gonna do some abs and then we're gonna get up out of here.
It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one. Hey, yeah. What are you look for? It's overdue. Over you. 402 deja vu. You anymore, it hurts me to the core. What you look for?
The chicos think I wanna die. Oh, cause you so thick.
Llegué a la tienda Aldi's. Yo dije que quieres unas frutas, pero las frutas en la Aldi no me are buena. Just say he wanted some fruit, but the fruit at Aldi's don't look good. Don't look good. I don't think I'm gonna be getting fruit from here. I think it's gonna be an adventure for tomorrow because y'all not gonna believe this. It's definitely 2:09 and I gotta be to work at 3:30, which means I need to leave the house by 3:10. Yet I'm in Aldi's. But all because I didn't want to grab a basket. I don't know why I thought this would be faster. No! All right, standing out, 8 minutes and 26 seconds. Yes. We're beating time, y'all, we're beating time. All right, walking into Kroger's, Kroger with an S, Southern girl. So walking into Kroger's for watermelon, maybe another fruit. Let's see how fast we can do this. Kroger move a little slower than Aldi sometimes. Oh, watermelon right at the front. Them watermelon chunks don't look good. Let's see what's actually in the case. All right, watermelon. Don't get caught up in the sale aisle. Oop, found the open one. In and out. 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Oh yeah, she rolling. She rolling. What time we get there? It's 2:25. Now the other thing that I did today, which is like a rookie mistake. When I say rookie, I do mean rookie. I ain't ate nothing today. So I done ran on the empty stomach. Then went to the gym and worked out on the empty stomach. And now I'm rushing and I'm hungry. And who knows if I'm gonna have time to make something to eat, shower, and make it to work. Well, I'm gonna make it to work on time regardless, babe, because that's what we do. But some other stuff that is a little bit questionable. We're racing against the clock, y'all. Time is now 3:07. Good thing that I eat really fast. I am going to eat my 3 pieces of toast with aguacate. That's how you say avocado in Spanish. El pan, el aguacate y pescado. That's to fish. Pescado is fished. Y el pescado. So it don't look good probably, but it is good and it's full of protein. So altogether, this kind of lunch breakfast was 297 calories and then 26.1 grams of protein. I got 2 minutes before I gotta head out the door, so I'm gonna eat. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I will see you guys next time. Until then.